Don't blame your hair for not growing, blame your hair routine. Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. On this channel, it's all about natural beauty remedies like this one I'm about sharing with you right away. So if your hair have been stuck for a while, you're experiencing hair breakage, or your hair is not thriving the way you want it, then this video is for you. Keep watching this video. I'm going to share with you how to make this natural conditioning treatment and also how to apply it correctly. So first we need aloe vera. To prep your aloe vera, soak it in water for a few minutes to remove the yellow liquid to reduce irritation on both your scalp and your hands. Now after soaking it in water for a while, go ahead and cut the side open to bring out the aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is very moisturizing to the hair. It has nutrients that can help nourish your hair and also detangle your hair. It will help to hydrate your hair, moisturize your hair, and balance the pH of your scalp. If you want healthy hair growth, then adding a deep conditioning treatment to your hair routine is very key to healthy hair growth. Always add a deep conditioning treatment that will help to balance your hair moisture and your hair protein. And one good thing about this deep conditioning treatment that I'm sharing right away is that this is one deep conditioning treatment that will balance both moisture and protein level of your hair. Alright, if this is your first time being here on this channel, you are most welcomed. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And to my returning subscribers, it's been a while. I hope you're doing great. I see you. This is me sending you lots of love. Next ingredient we're going to be using is avocado. I'm using half avocado. You can also choose to use full avocado depending on the density of your hair. If you have more volume, go ahead and use the full avocado. So we're adding avocado here because this is deep conditioning to the hair, deep moisturizing to the hair. Avocado has biotin and rich fatty acids that will help to nourish your hair strands. It will help to protect your hair from breakage, from split ends. This is very nourishing to the hair and will also help to repair your hair barriers. It will help to protect your hair, repair damaged hair, and also improve hair growth. So you want to blend this smoothly because we're not going to be filtering this, we're not going to be sieving this, so you need to make sure that it is very smooth with no clumps. And next ingredient we're going to be adding is egg. Egg is very nutritious for not just our body but our hair. It also has biotin and rich fatty acids that will help to strengthen your hair, reduce breakage as well, and this will help to nourish your hair and also add shine to your hair. Once it is fully combined, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of your preferred oil, any oil of your choice. It could be coconut oil, olive oil, hemp seed oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil, any oil at all that your hair loves. Go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of your favorite oil and 2 tablespoons of honey. Combine very well. Then before you go ahead to apply this to your hair, make sure that you have shampooed your hair very well. Wash your hair thoroughly. Your hair should be clean and neat. Then section your hair and apply this hair treatment. Cover your hair with a plastic wrap and leave it on your hair for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, and finally rinse it off. Then go in with your leave-in conditioner or your moisturizer. Do this once in a month and you won't blame your hair for not growing again. because your hair will thrive, your hair will grow, your hair will be stronger without breaking, and you'll be able to retain length. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this works for you. Don't forget to give this video a like, and see you in the next one.